What's going on, everybody? It's a great day for cards. It's one of the best days of the year. Select is out. It is out. It's release day. 2 autos, 1 mem. If this is anything like last year's product, it's gonna be sick. Some of the hits will be out of this world, man. Luckily I pre-ordered this because the price has already shot up high. I mean, like, boxes are going for like $200 now. It's like crazy. Luckily I pre-ordered this for much less than that. Oh, I'm so excited. I kind of like want to open it and kind of just want to sit and stare at it. 12 packs, so it'll go by quickly. I opened 3 boxes of 2017, and man, the hits were just incredible in that stuff. I've tried purposely not to watch any breaks of this because I wanted to truly be surprised, but the fact that the price has shot up so high is telling me that somebody's getting some good stuff, and I hope I join them. Well, that stack definitely looks taller. There must be something thick over there. There's what the pack looks like. Deshaun Watson on the front. Let's get into it. Should get several parallels. Oh, I love this stuff. Well, we're off to a great start because there's a Saquon rookie right off the top. Let's see what the back looks like. So this is the concourse version. So it tells that. That's nice. And they've continued that parallel type setup. Deshaun Watson. There's a Rashad Penny rookie hollow. Or silver. Maybe they just call it silver. I don't remember. A blue Leighton Vander Esch. Wow, this looks good. The price might have gone up just because people are buying it because it looks so good. Look at that. Wow. And a Steven Jackson. What is this? This is clearly a different version. Oh, there it is. I don't know if you can read that. Premier level. So that's what premier level looks like. Nice. Good first pack. Alright. Mike Gesicki. Cortland Sutton rookie. A Jordan Thomas silver rookie. Royce Freeman, some type of parallel here. Numbered out of 199. It just says Concourse Prism. Man, these look good. And the last one is Troy Aikman. Alright, pack number 3. Good start again. Nick Chubb. Got it like a filler in here, it looks like. Mark Walton. Antonio Callaway, silver. Filler card. Ezekiel Elliott. What is this? SE. I don't see the... Oh wait, there it is. Sensations. It's, you can barely read the word. It's right in this little. So a Sensations. Oh, nice. And a Baker Premier level rookie. Nice, nice, nice. Saquon and Baker in this box. Obviously parallel versions of them would be better, but that's still pretty good. Okay, Kalen Ballage rookie. A Von Miller zebra print. I thought that was reserved for first off the line. It's not numbered. Must be included in regular hobby boxes this time. Oh, nice. A Minka Fitzpatrick hollow rookie. Cool, cool. Denzel Ward snapshots. And Derek Carr Premier level. So far, so good. Jordan Wilkins rookie. Christian Kirk rookie. Lorenzo Carter rookie hollow silver. Wow, look at this Tyreek Hill. Surely this is numbered. Look at that. Yep, out of 199. Man, that is sweet. And the last one was Lynn Dawson. This looks completely different from the other cards. Field level. No hits so far. Nothing on the left side stack. Unless there's something in here. Let's see. Philip Lindsay. Garoppolo. Laletta. Field level rookie hollow silver. Tom Brady phenomenon. Now that would look good in Prism version. And James Conner. Alright. Still waiting to see a hit. But I've already seen a lot of good stuff. It's already answered my question on why the price has gone up. Because this stuff looks really good again. Alright, this feels thick. Maybe a filler, maybe a hit. Let's see. I think it's a hit. Khalil Mack. Michael Gallup rookie. Oh, nice. Mason Rudolph. Premier level. Silver. It is Deshaun Jackson. Just a basic little swatch. So that's my mem card. Not bad. Numbered to 199. Then we had, who's this at the end? Todd Gurley. So, we got that out of the way. We're looking for 2 autographs. There's Josh Rosen, another good rookie in this box. Ronnie Harrison. Tom Brady, yes. Oh, look at that. Look at this little Mahomes die cut. Numbered out of 49 too. Premier level. Look at that. That is so cool. Wow. I am digging that. And last card was Mariota. Look how thick this pack is. I think I better hold on to that one. Hopefully that's some kind of patch auto, something sick. I usually hate using the word sick, but it kind of fits with this product. I love this stuff. Denzel Ward. Jalen Samuels rookie. Jarvis Landry. So this is like the Mahomes, but not actually die cut. Yep, the premier level silver. Quentin Nelson, rookie selections, and Calais Campbell. Wow, 3 packs left, and it's supposed to have 2 autos. Man, I hope, oh, I don't even want to say it, but I hope I don't get Panini points. I probably shouldn't have said that. Chase Edmonds, Carson Wentz, Aaron Donald, another one of the die cuts, Alex Collins. Numbered out of 75. This is the purple version. And Terrell Davis. Dang, I'm getting nervous now. Is there really going to be 2 packs, 2 autos? Or am I going to get burnt? Let's see. Josh Adams. Royce Freeman. Matt Breida. Saquon. Snapshots. And Leonard Fournette. So, looks like I'm going to get burnt unless there's 2 autographs in this pack. I don't think I overlooked one. And don't tell me I'm going to have to file some kind of claim. That's going to stink. Jason Sanders. Deion Kane. Well, here is... Hang on. Let's look at the rest of it. Julio. Phenomenon. Shaquem Griffin. And... Nick Chubb. And that is great. I love Nick Chubb. It's numbered out of 49. But I'm upset because I'm missing an autograph. Wow, how in the hell does that keep happening to me? I'll look back through to make sure I didn't miss anything. And this is a great hit. I love Nick Chubb. I think he's gonna really burn it up for a little while. I think he's awesome, but I'm not happy about missing that card. So let's look back through really quick just to make sure. Make sure I didn't leave a packet. No, I didn't. Let me flip through here quickly as I can, just to be certain. Although I don't see, I've basically studied every card. I don't see how I could have overlooked an autograph. But just to be sure. I don't know how that keeps happening to me. I mean, is it happening to everybody else? I mean, am I like the only one? Or I did get the jersey there. Yeah, I don't know if I just have really bad luck. Make sure there's no signature there. Yeah, I don't know. Wow. I was worried about getting points. I guess I should have been worried about getting my other autograph. Well, I guess I'll be sending my receipt and my box into Panini. Good grief. Well, still excited. I love Select, and I've got another box too, so watch for that video to get posted very soon, because you know I'm not going to sit on it for too long. I'll get it open, and hopefully I'll have all my autographs there. But for now, I love the cards. I absolutely love it. I love the inserts. I love the look. I love the feel. I love the levels. I don't love getting screwed out of an autograph. So I don't know what to say. Thumbs up and thumbs down, I guess. I don't know. I mean, overall, wonderful. But now I'm going to have to ask for Panini for an autograph. And God only knows how long that'll take and what they'll send me. So, what can you do? Alright, everybody, please like and subscribe. Comment below. Let me know what you think about Select. Are you buying it? Do you like it? Did you get all your autographs? Everybody take care. I'll be back soon.